What's up, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another video, and today I got a brand new pickup from Copart for you guys. I ended up selling the black TL, got rid of it because it had some kind of engine problem, so I just went ahead and got rid of that. But I'm on another route now. I got basically I got a truck, SUV, whatever you want to call it, just so I can start a business. I'm trying to start like a food truck business. So I had to buy a car from Copart that would accommodate to that. But I've had about 2 other cars since I sold the Acura. I just haven't been recording and stuff. I've just been, really just chilling. So now I'm back. I'm uploading again. I got a new build for the channel that I'm gonna be posting on here a lot. So I'm gonna be doing a live phone and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around, show you guys what I picked up from Copart. I picked it up. I won the bid for $550. Ended up paying $863 out the door. So yeah, I drove it back from Charlotte, North Carolina, all the way back here to Greenville, South Carolina. That's an hour and 50-minute drive from here to there. So yeah, I drove it back, not a problem. And well, there was one problem when I first picked the car up. The rear brake on the passenger side was basically the brake was non-existent. Like, there was no brake left. It was just metal on metal touching the rotor. I still haven't replaced the rotor yet, but I'm gonna replace that rotor. And because the rotor is very, very thin, so I gotta replace that. But yeah, enough of me talking. Let me go ahead and flip this around for you guys and show you what I picked up from Copart. All right, you guys, this is what I picked up from Copart. I picked up a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, I think it is. I think it's a Laredo edition. It has Goodyear. I think there's a Wrangler STs all around. Good tread on them. As you can see, this is where the damage. Actually, let me go back around. This is where the damage was. I'm gonna throw up some pictures from the actual auction listing of what the car looked like when I got it. All this, as you can see, I got some bungee straps holding it up. All this was basically hanging on the ground, so I had to bungee strap it up. Gorilla tape the lights so they stay in place so I could drive it home, and Gorilla tape the bumper right there so it can stay on a little bit. And I drove it all the way home just like this. And yeah, nothing, not a single problem on the road, not anything. I'm telling you, nothing mechanical, anything. This Jeep is a trooper. Still runs, still drives. Here's the number, the auction listing number, if you guys want to go check it out yourself. It has 194,000 miles. Well, and this Jeep still has a bunch more to go. Don't mind my sock right there. Let me throw that out the way. But here it is on the inside. Here's the interior. As you can see, there's some little cracks on the door right there. Nothing too bad. There's the dash. Does need a new battery, which I'm gonna end up replacing. Stuff in the floor, stuff in the back seat, car seat, jumper cable, stuff like that. The radio, whoever had the car before me had an aftermarket radio in there. I got the bezel back there. I took it off. I was trying to see why the radio wasn't working. I found out that he cut some wires back there. And yeah, I'm about to go to LKQ and get the wires for the back of that radio so it can work. Boom. Okay. So there's the front seat. I'm gonna open up the rear door. Sorry, excuse the mess. We just got back from the trip, so I got my toolbox, jumper cable, stuff like that still back here, car seat. But there's the back seat. The trunk does not open for some reason. I gotta figure out why that doesn't open, but here's the trunk. Headliner's kind of scratched up in the front, as you can see. Don't know why it's like that, but not too bad, not too shabby. As you can see, here's the Wrangler STs in the back. Good tread, still has the little knobs on them. And then here's the back. As you can see, going around to this side, no more damage. This Jeep is literally in mint condition. I literally can't believe I got this. I won the bid for $550. This Jeep is in literally mint condition. Like, the frame rails in the front where the bumper hanging off aren't even bent. Nothing's bent, bro. Like, I just don't understand. But yeah, I'm glad I won this car for what I want it for. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go ahead and give the video a like. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're new to the channel for more Copart content, because I will be buying a lot more stuff from Copart. And yeah, Other than that, man, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Mache out. Peace.